Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process on your Surface Laptop Studio, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a spudger, and a pair of tweezers. It's essential to work in a clean, static-free environment to avoid any damage to your device. 1. Power down the device. Start by shutting down your Surface Laptop Studio completely. Disconnect any power sources and peripherals. 2. Remove the back cover. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the back cover. There are usually about 10 screws around the edges. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them for reassembly. Once the screws are out, use the spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect the battery. After removing the back cover, locate the battery. You'll see a connector securing it to the motherboard. Carefully use the spudger to disconnect this connector. This step is crucial as it ensures that no power is flowing through the device while you work. 4. Remove the old battery. Once disconnected, you can now remove the old battery. It may be held in place with adhesive. Gently lift it out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. 5. Clean the interior. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the interior of your laptop. Use compressed air to remove any dust and debris, which can improve performance and extend the life of your device. 6. Install the new battery. Take your new battery and position it carefully in the battery compartment. Ensure it aligns correctly with the connector on the motherboard. Press it down gently to ensure a secure fit. 7. Reconnect the battery. Now, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. Press the connector firmly to ensure it's securely connected. If you need assistance with diagnosis or have any doubts, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 8. Replace the back cover. After ensuring everything is in place, replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened securely but not overly tight. 9. Power on the device. Finally, reconnect your power source and turn on your Surface Laptop Studio. Check if the battery is recognized and functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. If you're not comfortable with this process or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can skip the hassle of travel. You can get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In conclusion, replacing the battery in your Surface Laptop Studio can enhance its performance and extend its lifespan. Following these steps carefully will help ensure a successful replacement. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.